Many barber chairs look similar online, but very few buyers ever see where they are really made. Today, we take you inside a real barber chair manufacturing factory in China. You can see what actually happens behind the product. This is Honglei, a professional barber chair manufacturer specializing in OEM and ODM production. We work with wholesalers, distributors, and brand owners worldwide. Our role is not just to make chairs, but to support long-term, consistent supply. A stable barber chair does not start with leather or padding. It starts with structure and consistency. Here, key components are produced and assembled as part of the manufacturing process. This is what allows us to maintain consistency across bulk orders and support long-term cooperation. For B2B buyers, true quality is never defined by just a single chair. It is about every chair in the shipment. Every production step follows strict standardized workflows and rigorous quality control, built specifically to support bulk wholesale, reliable OEM services, and long-term repeated orders you can count on. And this consistent quality shows in every core process that shapes our chairs. From precision cutting of high-density, long-lasting foam that ensures optimal support and shape retention, to careful upholstery with premium PVC leads, where each panel is precisely tailored, tightly stretched, and expertly stitched by skilled craftsmen. Every detail in padding and wrapping is carefully controlled, laying a solid foundation for durability, comfort, and uniform appearance across every unit. Comfort is not something added later as an afterthought. It is carefully designed and built in from the very start of manufacturing. Through precise angle engineering, perfect weight balance, smooth and stable movement control, and ergonomic structure, these small but critical details truly make a difference when the chairs are used continuously, all day, every day, in busy, high-traffic barbershops and salons. They ensure long-lasting comfort for clients and reliable performance for daily heavy-duty use. Quality control is not a final step, it is part of the production process. What you see in our showroom is backed by real factory strengths, not just trading photos. Every chair on display in our showroom is built strictly to international export standards. Each model you see represents our real production capacity and consistent quality, ready to be mass-produced and shipped worldwide. We use steady, export-approved packaging to ensure safe global transport for every order. We oversee the entire production process ourselves and arrange reliable worldwide delivery, working with trusted logistics partners to make sure your goods arrive on time and in perfect condition. A real factory doesn't chase the lowest price at the cost of quality. We deliver stable, consistent quality in every batch and build honest, long-term partnerships that help your business grow steadily. Real factory, real manufacturing, distribution partners welcome.